Jeffrey.
You won't do nothing now.
What won't?
Casper won't do nothing. Get him, Casper!
No, not with that shit. You're shooting the shit over here.
Go get him, Cass. Keep doing it, man. We're trying to record some funny shit.
Huh.
Please, Paul.
Cass,
Please, Paul's up.
Start shooting down.
get him, Cass. You little bastard. Now you won't do nothing.
You little bastard.
He ain't doing nothing no more. John, hold it up in the air and make him start jumping
All
around.
tired out.
Mine's out of CO2.
Look at him. He scoots over.
Bang, 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 bang.
He must have been around guns all his life.
Do it, John. He hates you.
All CO2? Poopy.
I'm not really mean shoot him, stupid.
All of them's out of CO2. I'm gonna put some more in.
Then, my friend.
Come here, Cass.
Go, Bug John. Where's the squeaky toy?
Where's your mom?
She's in there, laying down.
Must be really sick.
But be careful, don't let Snowball out. Snowball will hump this motherfucker here. Will he?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so